It's important to me to take care of the environment. I'm an outdoor person myself, and I like clean water just as good as anybody else. We actually recycle our water for the etching process. We average something around 20,000 gallons a month of recycled water by running it through our clarifier and filter system.
I think that people want to become leaders here. There's nothing more exciting than doing something that no one else has ever done and doing it good and doing it for the right reasons.
The Rejuvenate process allows us not only to use the acid longer, but it eliminates a lot of waste.
We don't have to discard so much waste. We just reuse what we have.
Reclaim is where we take our dirty solvents out of the ice scrubber and put them through a distillery unit. It basically boils it down to a vapor and reconstitutes it through a chiller. This allows us to reuse the solvent over and over again. We also recycle paper and cardboard, plastic bottles. We recycle metals, and when we can, we recycle pallets.
I think when you work for a company that recycles, it kind of gets the mindset of the employee. And to taking it home, they may not realize it right away, but you're doing it somehow at home.
There's a lot to learn from here to take with you wherever you go. Kitchen oils and grease, you don't put down drains. You have recycling programs in your cities.
The H4 building was designed to house all the chemicals needed to run the machinery in here so that they didn't have to be inside the building. What we need is pumped back and forth or stored outside and a very minimum brought in. This keeps it safer for the employees.
Just about every element that is hazardous to the environment, we've taken a look at.
So it's very important that we don't pollute our environment, keep it sustainable for the next generation.